This is how we at Everyworks Singapore perform our window frame exhaust fan installation services. Step 1. Select the right exhaust ventilation fan. Choose a suitable exhaust or ventilation fan based on your requirements. Step 2. Remove window for acrylic panel installation. The window will be removed for acrylic panel installation. Step 3. Application of the acrylic panel onto the window. In this step, the acrylic panels will be installed onto the window to ensure a secure and airtight installation of the exhaust fan. Step 4. Exhaust fan installation and wiring. The exhaust fan will be securely installed, with wiring extensions connected to the existing bathroom light circuit if required, ensuring safe and efficient operation. After installation, we will check the exhaust fan to ensure it is properly installed and functioning. Looking for good quality exhaust ventilation fan services in Singapore? WhatsApp us now at 82410032.